Xander, the surprise is in here.
Yeah.
What's in there? Whoa! Cool. That's your new bed.
That's your big boy bed.
Woo! Isn't that cool?
Do you like?
It has a light. Yes. You see?
Yes. Yes. Ooh. Ooh.
Do you like your new bed?
Are you going to sleep in that bed?
It's a sleeping bed.
Do you like Spider-Man?
That's your new bed,
Bouncy,
baby.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
Bouncy.
Say yay.
It's a big boy bed.
You get to sleep in that bed.
You get
all
to
by
sleep in that bed,
yourself.
Xander.